Hey girl, come on in. I want to give you a tour of my kitchen.
I can't wait to see what you did.
Please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for your support.
Here we have the kitchen tour. And again, it is a long time coming. Here's an overview of the kitchen. This place is an open layout and I really like it. And I painted this over top of here, I painted it gray. And this one wall I painted gray. Okay, let me start from this side here. And I got this beaded curtain from shopwildthings.com. I put it here because to me it just separated this island area from everything else. I really love that way that looks. It just gives it a glamorous look. And I have these lights that I got from banggood.com that has a sticker and you just add them wherever you want. And of course this is another one of those Lazy Susans from Home Goods. I have this DIY on my channel. I will leave that link down below. This thing that I have this mirror on is one of these old school mirrors that you can buy, like a full-length mirror, and I got rid of the stand, but I want to keep the mirror. And I got this here on clearance from Home Goods. Y'all remember this tutorial for this silver film on the back, and here it is almost a year later and it still looks spectacular. And again, I have more of those lights from banggood.com under here. And I have this soap dish. I had that soap thing forever. This milk thing came from Home Goods. I hauled that a long time ago. This diamond shaped sandwich press came from Home Goods. And then on the stove, I have this tea kettle, and that came from TJ Maxx. These hand towels or kitchen towels from Home Goods. Say this kitchen is a place for dance. I have another one of those cake stands from Home Goods, more of those Dollar Tree macaroons, and I have it sitting on a Dollar Tree mirror. Here I got this little lamp from Michael's, and I have it under there, and it's stuck there with a magnet. And just put it right under there like that. And these bowls I got from Home Goods. This microwave is a project that I was in the middle of putting the glitter like contact paper. That didn't work out, as you can see, and it has adhesive left on it. And here is an entertainment stand that I use it as a bar cart. And I have the one of those boxes from Ross and there, and the ice maker, the pineapple, supposed to be a cookie jar, but I use it as decoration. And I also have these different glasses, the cognac glasses, the regular crystal glasses. These glasses here, they have the recipes of the drinks on the glasses. I have that sitting on a tray from Home Goods. So this gives you an idea what you can use for these different trays. This one came from Home Goods. I don't know why I had the tag on there still. These two glasses came from the thrift store, and this came from my neighbor, my last place, named Mimi. They gave me that. I love the bottle, so I just kept it and put that stopper that's in it that I got from a friend. And this picture that came right here came from tjmaxx.com. It says Chanel and lipstick and stiletto and diamond and champagne and Chanel and lipstick. Supposed to say again. And right here on this wall, I have this brown mirror that came on a dresser a long time ago. I mean, it was free to me. And I have, put the silver spray paint, the glitter Mod Podge. These two lights here came from Ross. And I hauled those a while ago. They're supposed to light up, but the batteries are dead in it. So they don't really give a bright light anyway. It gives like an orange glow. And I put contact paper on this stove. I gotta peel that off. And I also put it on this refrigerator, the stainless steel contact paper that I got from Home Goods, and it was $6.99 a roll, and it took 2 rolls to do the refrigerator and the stove, and I didn't do a tutorial because the way this beveled up, to me, it's just not the most flattering. These are magnets that I got, I don't know, I had them for so long. And up here I got this lantern from Burlington's on clearance for $7.99, and these two lamp things, they've been gray, they've been gold, and they're pink, blush. So those are those, and I have pearls on one, and that one I haven't finished yet. Again, I have so many projects that I've started that unfortunately I haven't finished yet, and I hope you guys know that I think about you guys all the time and thinking of things that I could bring to you guys, but I am my biggest critic. And I have to get over myself and just bring stuff to you guys because I never know who I can be helping out with tips to make stuff look expensive, but it's not expensive at all. And I wanted to show you some things that these lights do, because Banggood.com sent them to me a long time ago. I never did do a video. Again, because I'm so critical of myself. And here is the remote that comes with these lights, and it came with 2 packs, strip lights in this packet, and you know, you can turn them on. Wait a minute, cut this light off. Cut them on, off, cut them on. Then you can change it to red, green, blue, orange, pink, turquoise. It turns whatever color you can possibly imagine. And then they do the quick flash, and then they do the slow flash, and then they do the automatic. And then they have it where it's flash. You may be too young for that. Some people know exactly what I'm talking about. That's the way, I like it, that's the way. Okay, anyway. And then, if you, they have DIY colors. You can change the colors to alter them to be more green, more blue, or whatever you need to do as far as that is concerned. I have not done all that, but that's that. Then you can have it where it jumps different colors like this. And then this is another effect. They have so many different effects that you can do it, but I predominantly just keep them white because I just think that is classic, and they don't get hot. And sometimes I have them here just on as a light, as my main light. Let me cut everything off so y'all can see what I'm talking about. These are just the lights from the kitchen, the LED lights, and then I have some here also under my bar. I just think that looks so good. It gives it a very sexy, romantic, classic look, and then the sheen comes off the lights. I just think it's gorgeous, and I even put them under the cabinet as well. I will leave a link down below where you can get it from Banggood.com. They are just so beautiful. And I do thank them for sending them to me. They sent it to me so long ago, but again, I have been really loving them. They're so beautiful, and I haven't had any problems with them coming down or not staying the way that they're supposed to. I did use hot glue to put them under my cabinet. So it's going to be interesting taking them down, and I'll give you an update on that in the comment section on how they were once I took them down, because again, I am moving, so I will be taking all of this down. That was my kitchen tour. Again, I am moving, so it would be interesting to see what I'm able to do with these same things in my new place, because the kitchen is a lot smaller. So stay tuned for that kitchen tour at my new place. I love you guys. I'm so close to 10,000 subscribers. So if you haven't already, click that subscribe button or forward my tutorials or to anyone you think that would benefit for the information, and let them come be part of our YouTube family. And as always, be your own kind of beautiful, because you, my love, are beautiful. See you next time. Bye.